Hello, this how-to tutorial will walk you through how you actually can find all of these how-to videos that we're creating. We understand that students and parents have many different questions. How do I download Teams? How does my child share the screen? How do we try to fix a microphone issue? And we've made lots of videos to help parents, but we want to make sure you know how to find those videos so that you can actually be proactive with learning how to fix issues yourself, or at least having your children try to fix the issue yourself. And if you ever need a specific video, if there's something you or your child are working on or having trouble with, please let us know and we will make a video to make sure we meet your needs. So let me show you at least how to find our how-to videos. So to find the how-to videos, you will need to initially sign in to your student or your child's Teams account. And then once they're in Teams, they will click on Teams, which once again could look like this, which is a bunch of tiles, or depending on how their view is, theirs could look like a list, depending on, come on, there we go, little lag. So depending on how it's set up, your child's teams could look like this where the teams are listed on the side over here, or they could be the little squares that you just saw. So either way, they're both the same thing, but you're going to find the one that's going to be called Carleton Students and Staff. It's the one with our cougar logo. And there's several channels: general, announcements, calendars, communication tools. So all of these are the channels that you can access. And if for some reason some of them are not, here, if it says hidden, like this one says 9 hidden channels, if for some reason you see that up there, then you would need to just click on those 9 hidden channels and the rest would pop up. So if you see something that says hidden channels and you can't see all of these, then just make sure you click that to see the rest of them. So this is the great place for everything. This is the place where we go for most of our family activities. But right here, you'll see where it says how to. This is the how to channel. So when I click on the how to channel, all the little YouTube videos that we've created with the title are right here, and I'm adding more every day. This video will be added here in just a second. So this will show you the different videos. So you can just scroll up and down the list and basically look at what you need. If you need help with the camera app, click on the link to watch the video. If your child's, like I said, calendar is looking, messy and you don't know how to clean it up, watch this. So we're trying to hopefully empower our students and parents to be proactive and try to fix issues, because I know it can be challenging. So we want to make sure we provide all that. So if you have any questions about this, let us know. And if you have any topics that you need us to make videos on, let us know. In another video, I will go over the details about the other channels, but just so you know, this is where your child will do the morning meeting session and also find announcements of other things that's going on in school. Thank you so much, and hopefully you can resolve some of the issues that you're experiencing at home.